Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look for school. So I like to do this look for school because in my opinion it's easy, it's fast, it's still glam, but it's natural at the same time. And I just like the way it fits on my face. So keep in mind that I am not a professional makeup artist. This is just what I like on my face. And if the lighting is like off, I'm still trying to figure out how to, you know, like do this whole lighting thing, what works, what doesn't work, but just work with me here and yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so my camera died, so if the angle or lighting looks a little different than the previous clip, that's the reason why. But now let's get started. So I already have moisturizer on and chapstick, so then after that the next step I like to do is curl my eyelashes. I don't know why, but I can't put on mascara without curling my eyelashes. I don't think my eyelashes come out as well. I don't know if you guys could relate to this, but like I tend to get mascara all over my eye no matter how hard I try not to. It just ends up happening, and then I have to end up cleaning it. So that's why I start with mascara first, just in case I want to do like eyeshadow or something. So I don't really have a favorite mascara. I tend to switch them up every time I run out, just because I haven't found a mascara that like I love. What I do notice though is that I like to use two different types of mascaras. So yeah. Do you guys see what I mean? Look at my eye. Like I can't do mascara without getting it on my eye. And then after that I like to get this Lash Paradise mascara. Focus. And do it on the same eye over just to make it darker and thicker. So I like my mascara to stand out the most just because I don't wear a lot of makeup. So I like my eyes to like pop, if you guys know what I mean. I'm gonna look crazy at first, but I promise the finished product will look good. Then just the next eye, I'll fast forward because you guys know how to do mascara, I'm sure. After that, I just get the same mascara that I used first and put it on my bottom lashes, and then I clean up my eyes. I'm trying so hard not to do like that ugly mascara face, but I find it so hard to breathe for some reason not like doing that face. I know some of you guys might say I wear too much mascara, but this is what I like. So like I said, I can't do my mascara without getting it all over my eyes. So to clean it, I get just a clean Q-tip, I wet it, and then just start cleaning it. It's pretty simple. I don't wear waterproof mascara, so it's pretty easy for me to clean. If any of you guys try out this look and you use waterproof mascara, maybe this won't work for you, so just don't be like me and get it on your eye. I've been told by like friends that they remember me from like middle school, of me just always having like dramatic eyelashes. I don't know why. I think just because like mascara was the first makeup product I was ever able to use, so I always made it like so dramatic, and then it just became a habit. And now if I don't do anything but dramatic mascara, I feel like I look weird, if that makes any sense. Okay, so after mascara, I like to go in with my second product, which is this Clinique bronzer, and it's a powder. It's actually called 10 Transparency Bronze. If you guys are curious, right there. So I honestly prefer bronzer over blush. I like looking tan, and this one is like a 2-in-1 for me. With this, I don't need to put on a highlight because it already has like I don't know if you guys, I don't want to drop it. Never mind. I'm gonna drop it if I show you. It has like little like specks of shimmer in there, so in the light it kind of makes it look like you're wearing highlight. So then what I do, I just grab a lot on the brush and then I tap it on the cap. Well, I'll clean it after. Anyways, as I was saying, I like to tap it on the cap and then I just put it on. I make like that kiss face kind of, just to get like that actual bone on where to put it, because if I don't, I feel like I just get it like uneven. So I like to do and put it on. Make sure you blend into like your hairline so you don't have that weird like line. So could you guys see the difference already? It makes me look so much tanner. And I don't know if you guys could see like the highlight effect. This is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but this is just what I like because I'm lazy. It's like a 2-in-1 for me. So I just like to bring whatever extra I have just like all over my face, under. Okay. I'm gonna close this before, oh, do you guys see that powder flying? Before I drop any more of it. Not my last step, but my last step with makeup, I just like to grab this Kylie brush, dip it in highlight, and put it in my inner corners. So once I'm done with putting the highlight in my inner corner, I like to get my eyelash curler again and just curl my eyelashes one more time just so they get longer. And then after that, sometimes they get stuck together, just like with your nail, brush it out, I guess. And then after that, I like to go with lip gloss, but I didn't bring it, so I'll be back with it. So I like to go in with lip gloss, as I said, and this is the A28 Please Me lip gloss by MAC. Focus. Yeah, so I'm not picky with my lip glosses either. I like to just go in with whatever I have in the moment. And after that, I am done. Oh, no. I forgot one last thing. I used to do my eyebrows, but as of lately I've been liking not doing them. Like, I've been liking more of the natural look. So now what I do is I just brush them up with the spoolie brush and kind of make them like a little thicker. And what I also do sometimes, if I have it on me, or if I have more time, I tend to put gel on spoolie and make it as an eyebrow gel. I don't know why I just don't buy an eyebrow gel, to be honest. And after that, this is the completed makeup look. Easy, simple, and still looks cute at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.